Hey the guys, up cleansing, take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing a roof clean here out in Tracy, California. It's going to be a 2-story home. The homeowner has stated that there is going to be a lot of moss growth up on the 2nd story and 1st story, the north side of the house. Customers do have solar panels, so we're going to be making sure that we're taking good care of the solar panels. Don't want to get any of that chemical solution on those, and if we do get them on, it's okay. Just going to rinse them down right after so they don't spot up or anything like that. We have the water connected already right there. Going to fill up those tanks. We're going to hit this with about a 4 to 5% mix ratio for our sodium hydrochloride, and then keep going on it. It's going to take roughly around probably an hour. That's usually what they take roof cleaning. There are a lot of different angles right here. I don't know if you can see, but there's going to be a lot of moss growth up on that top, on that 1st story right there, right up the garage. So this side, the front side of the house is going to be the north side. Back side is going to be the south side. Moss grows on the north side predominantly. So we'll make sure you get the north side pretty well. That's where the majority of their issues are going to be at. But yeah, let's keep going.